So we are going to discuss short-run cost curve. I told you this is one of the most important part of the entire microeconomics. बोलो देवकी क्या हुआ? इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं है, अगर कोई वॉचमैन वगैरह है, स्विच बंद हुआ होगा. आप ग्रुप में डालिए ना, कॉमन ग्रुप में डालो, अटेंशन सुहास करके. हाँ. Okay, so I told you first yesterday we were explaining and take down the notes along with me. देखो profit is calculated as profit is profit is calculated as economics. Profit stands for pi. Pi means profit. Everybody has to write. Profit stands for, or it is equivalent to TR minus TC. Revenue minus cost. Profit is equivalent to TR minus TC. Here we are discussing with short-run cost curve. And I told you yesterday we just started. Total revenue in short-run is generally the period less than 1 year. That is the short-run. 1 year bhi nahi hoga, 6 months, 9 months. Max to maximum when we pull, it will be 1 year. So 1 साल के अंदर का जो period है, that is known as short-run. Okay. अभी ये short-run में कौन सा अभी देखो, first point is short-run. Short-run is the period where ये देखो, all the factors cannot be changed. Please underline and take down this point. Very, very, very important. Short-run is the period where every factor cannot be changed. Notebook now, don't write whenever, wherever you want. Keep a notebook for economics. Short-run is the period where all the factors cannot be changed. Clearly put. Factor can't. All factors cannot be changed. I can see some of the students are still writing. That's why I'm waiting. नीचे का लाइन देखो, some factors are constant, some factors are variable. Short-run, some factors are constant, some factors are variable. I'll give you the example. Short-run is the period where some factors are constant and some factors are variable. Now look, short-run में कौन सा cost है, इसका case study भी है. So lifelong आपको ये याद रखने का है. First one is total fixed cost. That is known as TFC. Second one is total variable cost. That is known as TVC. That is known as TVC. Third one is total cost. Third one is total cost. Now you can see here, these are on average. First one ka average is this one. Average fixed cost. Second one ka average is average variable cost. Third one ka average is average cost. And last one is marginal cost. There are 7 short-run costs though. There are 7 short-run costs though. There are 7 short-run costs though. So we have covered 2 points. In short run, all the costs are not variable. Some costs are fixed, some costs are variable. अभी आपको ये देखना चाहिए मैडम कौन सा cost fixed है, which costs are variable. What do you mean by variable, girls and boys? Changing. Variable मतलब changing. I'm writing. Variable मतलब changing. Now we will start now. Now be very careful. Generally, students are taking this area very lightly. I told you, no one can help you. You yourself have to understand the importance. First one is total fixed cost. It is known as TFC. Total fixed cost, which is known as TFC. Total fixed cost remains fixed at common level of very important. Total fixed cost that girl देखो ना इधर उधर देखकर बैठने का total fixed cost remains fixed at one level of output. इधर मैं आपको give you the example. Okay, one second, children. One second. How is the voice now? Online children. Hello. अभी voice कैसा है? Hello. Online children, write the reply. How is the voice now? Okay. Is it better now? This echo is coming. That's the main issue. Why the echo is not coming? The volume because online children are getting double voice. कॉलेज में आया कर रहे सर कब आएगा नहीं वो माइक का इश्यू है 7th फ्लोर में प्रॉब्लम है हेलो अभी ऑनलाइन चिल्ड्रन अभी कैसे वॉइस hello how is the voice now I hope it should be clear no that muting part I will do no. 1 minute my dear boy online children now how is the things it should be fair now how is the voice now jaldi bolo how is the voice okay thank you my dear boy thank you children okay so we were explaining regarding total fixed cost so let us start what do you mean by total fixed cost is fixed at all level of output you require some time to understand see let us take 3-month period 3 month is a short period so in 3 month mein what all costs are fixed this is something very important let us take the case of this class okay This class mein, what all things are fixed? When the college has started, whether one child is coming or 100 children are coming, certain things are fixed. आपका क्लास में एक स्टूडेंट आता है, नहीं तो आपका क्लास में 100 स्टूडेंट आता है. Certain things are fixed. It got nothing to do with the teacher's output. What are the examples? Girls are not listening. आने वाले को रोज देखता है, आज भी देखने के लिए कोई नया एडमिशन नहीं है. देखो, I told you, certain things are fixed in your class, whether it is one student or whether it is 100 students. What are the fixed things? I will give you the example. Mic. It's a fixed thing. 100 student होने पर भी ये mic use करेगा. One student होने पर ही I will use the mic because distance is there. So this mic खरीदने का जो cost है, let us assume 2,500 rupees. That is an example of fixed cost. Because colleges purchase this mic. Tomorrow, due to Omicron, again the lockdown has been declared. Let us assume it should not happen. But mic is already purchased. So 2,500 rupees is a fixed cost. Point number one. अभी ऐसा example बोलो. एक classroom का example बोलो. Fixed cost क्या क्या है? Very good. Furniture, bench and desk, furniture. Already it is purchased. So let us assume that some 20,000 rupees has been spent. You were not coming for 1 year, but ये तो इधर ही था. So this is considered as fixed cost. Furniture, the expenditure on furniture, you go there. Example of fixed cost. Example of fixed cost. Example of fixed cost. Very good, children. Excellent. Online children, good. Example of fixed cost. Blackboard. Yeah. Blackboard, projector, bench and desk. Blackboard, projector, bench and desk. Electric connection. All these are the fixed factors. All these are the fixed factors. इसके साथ ही आप लिखो, it's not for the college. When we talk about the industry, insurance premium. Insurance premium. That is an example of fixed cost. Insurance premium. Salary of the permanent staff. नीचे दिए देखो. Salary of the permanent staff. Salary of the permanent staff. Salary of the permanent staff. Let us take the example. When the lockdown was introduced, only permanent staff like us, we were getting full salary throughout. Whereas self-financing का जो faculties है, they were given half salary. Many colleges did not pay only because they are not. There were online teaching. Means एक दो महीने के लिए वो भी नहीं था lockdown का beginning में. So they were not paid the salary only. But fixed cost means that people who are permanent, 10 साल है, 20 साल है, वो लोगों को salary देना ही पड़ेगा. So fixed salary, the salary of the permanent employee is an example of fixed cost. Listen very carefully. Salary of the permanent employee is an example of fixed cost. Salary of the temporary employee is an example of variable cost. What time देखेगा? So what are the example of fixed cost? क्या क्या लिखा? Expenditure on furniture. That is an example of fixed cost. Second वाला क्या है? Bench and desk furniture में आता है. Next. Yeah, expenditure on blackboard, projector, salary of the fixed staff. Yeah, insurance premium. because I have taken insurance policy for this building. Student आता है, teacher आता है, income है, expenditure है, insurance policy is not bothered. You have to pay the premium. If you do not pay the premium, there will not be any coverage. You take the example of fire insurance. Fire insurance premium देना ही पड़ेगा. If suddenly fire breaks out, if there is no insurance coverage, the loss will be heavy. So in the short run, what is the characteristics of fixed cost? Fixed cost is fixed at all levels of output. वो sentence अलग है देखो. Fixed cost is fixed at all levels of output. What do you mean by that, children? Fixed cost is fixed at all levels of output. I told you whether one student is present, I will use the mic. Whether 100 students is present, same mic. Suppose there are 500 students. वो बात अलग है. वो short run में होगा नहीं. वो long run का कहानी है. So whether it is 1 student, 10 student, 100 student, same mic will be used. Fixed cost is same. 100 student दे करके एक teacher 4 mic use नहीं करेगा. एक ही mic use करेगा. So the fixed cost is same. Similarly, projector. 1 class, 1 projector. Okay, so this fixed cost is same. It got nothing to do with the output. मतलब output बढ़ाने का time fixed cost बढ़ेगा नहीं. Are you understanding? Fixed cost is same. 120 student के लिए 60 pension desks होगा. 120 student के लिए 120 pension desk नहीं होगा. It is fixed. 1 bench, 2 student. Okay. So fixed cost is same irrespective of the output. What did you understand? क्या समझ में आया? Output change होने पर complete करो. Fixed cost change होगा या नहीं? नहीं होगा. When the output changes, fixed cost will not change in the short run. लिखो that. When the output changes, fixed cost will not change. When the output changes, fixed cost will not change. In the short run. Come in time, my dear children. When the output changes, fixed cost will not change in the short run. Everywhere you will use the term short run because I am talking about short run. 3 months, 6 months, not beyond it. अभी आप देखो, even if the output is 0, fixed cost is positive. Underline and very, very important. Objective. Even if the output is 0, fixed cost is positive. Boys, कल जिसको देखा आज वही आया है. लिखो. Even if the output is 0, fixed cost is positive. It's a very good question for objective. My dear girl, I told you don't look at the textbook now. बाद में take down the notes. If the output is 0, fixed cost is positive. Give the example. I told you the example of bench and desk. During the lockdown period, no student was coming. No teacher was coming. But bench and desk इधर ही था. उसके लिए जो expenditure spend किया वो same ही था. So even if the output is 0, fixed cost will be there. Fixed cost cannot be 0. Take down. TFC cannot be 0 in the short run. TFC cannot be 0 in the short run. TFC cannot be 0 in the short run. 1.5 year online lecture attend करके लिखने का आदत ही गया. Okay. So even if the fixed cost cannot be 0 in the short run, what is the reason, children? You take insurance premium. Okay, lockdown hai karke I have to pay the insurance premium. Production है या नहीं, I have to pay the insurance premium. Output is zero, but insurance cost has to be paid. So there are some costs which can never be zero, even if the output is zero. That is in the short run. I hope it is clear. TFC is a horizontal straight line. Abhi you can draw if you want. बाद में भी हम draw करेंगे. Here I am drawing. TFC is a horizontal straight line. Draw here. X-axis output. Draw the diagram. Y-axis TFC. Diagram draw करने के लिए ऐसा बुक लेगा, कुछ बड़ा इंजीनियरिंग मॉडल बनाता है. Draw करो. X-axis output, Y-axis TFC. I am drawing here because in the middle there are writing. Boys, this is TFC, horizontal straight line. This is point F. TFC is a horizontal straight line. थोड़ा जल्दी देखो, पेन पेंसिल सब लेकर आओ यहाँ. हमारे कौन अभी भी बाजू में है, इसलिए पेन पेंसिल लेना अलाउड नहीं है. Total fixed cost is a horizontal straight line. I told you जब तक जॉब मिलेगा उतना दिन ध्यान रखने का है. That much important is this. TFC is a horizontal straight line. What is the meaning? ये देखो, you see the output, नीचे का output. Draw here. Look. X1, X2, X3, X4. What is happening? Output is increasing. You can see here. Output increase होता है, लेकिन fixed cost को क्या होता है? Same. Output is increasing, fixed cost is same. Did you understand? Now, output increase कैसा होता है इधर देखो. X1, X2, X3, X4. But fixed cost is same. Online children, are you able to follow? फटाफट chat में डालो. Did you draw the diagram? So TFC is a, I am waiting for the answer online children. TFC is dash. What will be your answer? आवाज किधर गया? TFC is dash. Horizontal straight line. Girls का आवाज ही नहीं है. Horizontal straight line. What does it mean? Horizontal straight line का meaning क्या है? When the output increases, complete करो. TFC remains the same. When output increases, TFC remains the same. Diagram में देखो मालूम पड़ेगा. देखो X1, X2, X3, X4. Output is increasing. Fixed cost is same. I hope you understood. Boys को समझ में आया, girls को आया? थोड़ा slow है, slow गाड़ी है. Okay. Now we are discussing total variable cost. We go the TVC. Some boys have joined late. So TVC, I am explaining short run cost curve. अब 10 मिनट हो गया, पेंसिल ढूंढता है, अभी तक मिला नहीं. लिखो total variable cost. लिखो that. TVC refers to, लिखो TVC refers to the cost which changes with the output. The cost which changes with the output. The cost which changes with the output. Please, TFC में क्या पढ़ा? The cost which does not change with the output. TVC is the one which changes with the output. Variable, English में variable means changing. So the cost which is changing with the output is known as variable cost. ये देखो, when the output is zero, TVC is zero. Underline लिखो and underline. Highlight न लाओ बाद में. Highlighting करके रखो. When the output is zero, TVC is zero. बॉयज लिखो बराबर। एमसीक्यू होगा करके गारंटी में बैठो मत। महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट ने कभी भी स्टैंड चेंज करेगा, फिर लिखना पड़ेगा पूरा पेपर। When output is 0, TVC is 0. Now listen to my question, don't write. When output is 0, TFC is dash. I know that you will say like that, इसलिए पूछा। सीधा आकर दो देगा मैं। I told you, listen to my question. When output is 0, TFC is dash. Positive. अभी correct answer आया। Total fixed cost. चाहे doubt होने पर लिखो ना, नीचे लिख कर रखो। When output is 0, total fixed cost is positive. MCQ में आएगा। When output is 0, total fixed cost is positive. When output is 0, total fixed cost is positive. When output is 0, TVC is 0. When output is 0, TVC is 0. One is fixed, other is variable. Example. When the output is 0, total variable cost is 0. When the output is 0, total fixed cost is positive. लिखा? अभी variable cost का example. Same example, एक class का example लेगा. You take electricity bill. Is it a variable cost or a fixed cost? Variable cost. Look, minimum electricity bill is a fixed cost. Class ही नहीं है, college ही नहीं है करके अदानी zero bill नहीं डालेगा. You know that during lockdown they were charging more. Okay. So जो minimum है वो देना पड़ेगा. लेकिन when there is no output, you don't have to pay extra electric charge. Light will not be on, fan will not be on, AC will not be on. So electricity charge is an example of variable cost. You go there. Example of variable cost. 1, 2, 3. Example of variable cost. Electricity charge. Don't write minimum electricity charge, वो wrong है. Minimum electricity charge fixed cost में जाएगा. This is the normal electricity charge. That's why electricity charge देगा. Another example क्या है boys and girls? Raw material cost. Raw material cost. Raw material cost. उधर देखने का नहीं. Raw material cost, give the example. Last 2 years, college is not purchasing the chalk. ढूंढने पर भी मिलेगा नहीं. ये बहुत मुश्किल से लाया. Okay, this is an example of raw material. When normal college is there, normal teaching is there, this is required. So when there is no teaching, chalk is not required. So when there is no production, raw material cost is 0. Producer को raw material खरीदना ही नहीं पड़ेगा because there is no production. Okay, I am running a furniture shop. During lockdown, I did not buy लकड़ी नहीं लिया. Okay, फेविकॉल नहीं लिया, screw नहीं लिया. No raw material cost because production is 0. Then what is other example? Daily wages. Daily wages. उधर दिया है देखो. Daily wages. Salary of the temporary worker. That is the meaning. Daily wages means salary of the temporary worker. Salary of the temporary worker. Daily wages means salary of the temporary worker. Writing में slow होने पर बोलो मैडम थोड़ा wait करो. That is fine. Because I don't know you are mentally blocked है. वो mental block जाने के लिए थोड़ा time लगेगा. So when salary of the temporary worker is an example of variable cost. Okay, example. You can see the lady who is sweeping outside. Okay. There are so many ladies in each floor. They are all temporary workers. They are all temporary workers. So during lockdown, for 1 year, most of them were not called. There are 7 floors. Only one lady was called. 6 people were not called. Salary was 0. बाद में क्या किया? Turn by turn. Means you come 2 days in a week. Other person come 2 days in a week. Normal क्या है? 7 days in a week. They have to come, including Sunday. So when there was no production, when no students were coming, they were asked to come twice in a week. So they will get salary for 2 days because they are temporary workers. I hope you are understanding. A college में we are going to the first floor. First floor में one lady is sitting. That lady is a permanent staff. So she was not coming at all, but she was getting her full salary. What was the reason? Permanent staff. So temporary staff of salary and there is no production. That is what many private companies did. Ask the employees to sit at home, especially salesmen वगैरह, दुकान में काम करता था, सब they all went to their village because shops were closed. They will not be paid the salary. Please remember. Another example is advertising expenditure. What is advertisement expenditure, children? When there is no production, why should be advertisement? Advertisement भी नहीं है, production भी नहीं होता, लेने वाला कौन है? Last 1.5 years, Times of India paper ही नहीं था. I hope you are remembering. Paper was literally stopped. Only online paper was available. Both of the Times of India was not available online. When paper was not there, the reason is nobody was allowed to touch the paper. Everybody was afraid. Second, even if the paper used to come, there was no advertisement, nothing. Because everything is closed. अभी का पेपर में आप देखो full page advertisement है Reliance Fresh का, full page advertisement में Amazon का, full page advertisement है Flipkart का. अभी I'm talking about 1920 during that lockdown period. Even online sale was not allowed. First lockdown में. Even fully online भी allowed नहीं था. Second lockdown में दोनों online allowed किया. So that period per 0 was advertisement expenditure. So these are the example of variable cost. So tell me, what is variable cost? जल्दी बोलो. What is variable cost? आवाज किधर गया? The cost which changes with the output. Perfectly right. The cost which changes with the output. Give me the answer. When the output is 0, TVC is dash 0. Now again listen. When the output is 0, TFC is positive. अभी perfectly याद है. कल पूछो ऐसा मैडम को देखेगा, मैडम आप ये पढ़ाया नहीं है, आप भी confused है. Okay children. So we will draw TVC. I am drawing here only. Yes, sir. This is TVC. TVC. Output variable cost. VC stands for variable cost. TVC is upward sloping. Children, why TVC is upward sloping? When output is 0, TVC is 0. Echo there. When output is 0, TVC is 0. When output increase होता है, ये देखो, TVC is also increasing. Come. Yeah, after the lecture, please meet me and ask them how to discuss me. No issues. Yeah. Did you understand? What did you understand? When the output is 0, TVC is 0. When output is increasing, TVC is increasing. So it is upward sloping. Madam, आप थोड़ा पहले कुछ ड्रॉ किया वो क्या था? What was that? Horizontal. याद है. Very good. You don't have to draw. I am just drawing it. This is TFC. It will not change with the output. TBC will change with the output. Okay. Thank you, children. Now, Herculean task is taking her